Hey guys, welcome to Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I'm going to share you how to stitch this keyhole neck design umbrella suit. I have already shared the cutting part of this video. Just go and check the description box for the link. To begin with, I have taken the bodice part. There is two parts for bodice. This is first part. Just open this and place the other fabric. Then start making a stitch here. You can see here I have already pinned the fabric. Then start sewing it. I finished attaching it. Now I am going to trim the excess fabric. This is how it looks. To finish the raw edges, I have taken a cross piece or a bias strip. So just fold this here and then place it at the right side of the fabric and then start sewing it. Similar to this, I have taken a cross piece to finish the neckline also. After this, I have taken the second part of the bodice. So again, to finish this neckline, I have taken a cross piece. Fold this and then start sewing it. Then I have taken the back portion. So again for the back portion neckline, I have taken the cross piece. Just place this at the right side of the fabric and then make a stitch. So just place this cross piece here and then start sewing it. After stitching this, trim the excess fabric and then make a small cuts around this. Then turn this and make a top stitch. So repeat the same procedure for the neckline also. Now trim the excess fabric. So again make a small cut. Then make a top stitch. After this, I am going to attach the cord here. So just place the cord here and then turn the fabric. Then start sewing it. That's it. You can see here I have finished attaching. Now finish this bottom also. I finished attaching the piping. Now I have taken the second part for the borders and I'll repeat the same procedure for this also. Make a small cuts, then turn and make a top stitch. Now take the cord and place it under this and then start sewing it. This is how it looks. Now make a top stitch here. You can see this, I finished attaching both the part 1 and 2. Now, in order to attach these both the parts, you have to mark 1/2 inch inwards at the armhole side for both the sides. And then fold this part 1 and then mark the center. Similar to that, fold this part also and then mark the center. So match the center and then arrange this correctly. I'm going to make a stitch here. So that's it. You can see here I have already pinned the fabric. Now I'm going to make a top stitch. Similarly, repeat the other side also. Now I have taken the bottom portion. In this bottom I am going to attach some contrast fabric as a border. So you can see this. I have taken 2 strips of contrast fabric. The required length is 5 inch. What I am going to do is, firstly I'll make a stitch here. After attaching this, I will fold the strip once and then I will place it at the right side of the fabric and then start sewing it. Similarly, I will finish the back portion also. Now make a top stitch. And that's it. This is the back portion. I attach the cross piece at the neckline and I'll finish this after attaching the shoulder. Now you can see the bottom. This is front portion and I finished attaching the border to both front and the back portion. Now I am going to share you how to attach the borders with the bottom. For that I have taken a back portion. You can see this is the back portion borders part and this is bottom part. Both are right sides. Just place this here and match the center of the borders on the bottom and then start sewing it. Repeat the same for the front portion also. So you can see here I finished attaching the neckline and now just place this bottom portion here. Both are right sides. Now turn this and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. Now make a top stitch. Similarly finish the front portion also. You can see here I have finished attaching the front portion borders and the bottom and also the back portion borders with the bottom. Now I am going to attach the shoulder. After attaching the shoulder, finish the back portion neckline by folding it twice and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. Firstly, fold the fabric exactly as I am showing in this video and then start sewing the shoulder. After attaching both the shoulders, finish the back portion neckline by folding it twice at the wrong side of the fabric. I finished attaching. Now you can see these are sleeves. I have already shared the video for the sleeve. You can check the description box for the link. And now I am going to share you how to attach this sleeve with the top. You can see here I finished attaching the shoulder and also the neckline. Now take the sleeve and check the front portion of the sleeve and place the right sides together. Then match the shoulder with the center of the sleeve and then start sewing it. Repeat the same procedure for the other side of the sleeve as well. Here you can see I finished attaching the sleeve with the top. Now I'll share you how to attach the sides. For that, just arrange the fabric. Now, starting from the sleeve round, make a stitch till the bottom. Similarly, finish the other side also. So starting from here, just make a stitch till the bottom. How much seam allowance you have given, mark that and then start sewing it. Repeat the same for the other side also. Here you can see I finished attaching both the sides. This is how it looks. It's so simple to make, you can easily stitch at home by following these simple steps. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then do like, share, subscribe and comment. This is the final outlook of the kurti. Thanks for watching.